Hello. Today we'll be going to design patterns assignment one. My name is Mithun, and this is my friend Satvik. We are in the group 24 on Brightspace. You can check it. So let's firstly start with how to download our submission file, and then go through one by one on how to run the codes. So let me share my screen. So you can find our submission file at in group number 24 under the group name 24. And this is a zip file, so we just have to download it, like by clicking over here and then go to downloads, then unzip it. I just double clicked on my Mac, or you can do this. Um, like there will be actions such as unzip in Windows. That's how it is. Then you just open the assignment and you have all the files. So I'll show this through my VS Code. So I have my assignment one under DP as well. Just put the same assignment. So it will show up the one which you downloaded, which will be in downloads, and it will be downloads and then assignment and another it will be next. So this is the README file. In the README file, I've showed uh, my name and the number and what we have individually what we have worked on. So I've worked on TV remote object adapter Java file basically, and then Satvik is working on TV remote class adapter in Java file. And so first thing to compile and run, if you are using a Mac OS or Linux system, we'll be using the Java C assignment one, this command, just backslash difference. If it's Windows, uh, we use this backslash. So I've given both the commands here in the README file. So let me just open the terminal. So it shows like this. So first thing is we run this command. Sorry, without the we see that all the class files are generated for all the Java files. Now we run the next command, that is Java assignment to TV driver. So since I'll be explaining a remote object adapter only, I'm going to explain the TV driver, the first part only. So we get the output. So let's just go to TV driver Java and see the expected output as well. So you see the expected output is similar or is the same as what the output we got. So the working everything is correct. So now let me explain what is happening in this exactly. The first thing is the we have TV remote and TV Java file as well. So TV is the main class file, or the main file that we'll be going through, where we have initialized max channels as 700 and the minimum channels would be two, uh, that I've set as channel equals to two. And then we have the functions called on, off, up, and down, and then show channel. These are all the basic methodologies of a TV, that is switching on, off, then changing channels and uh, what channel, like that. So whenever we call on, this TV is on, and off, TV is off, like that. So now let's go to TV driver.java and see what's happening there. So in TV driver.java file, we have a main class file saying where we are initializing an object TV, uh, and then we are calling TV.on. This will set the TV or will print TV is on as seen in TV.java file, as you see here. And then we'll be setting the TV to max to be at a maximum channels connecting the remote. So what we are doing here is connecting the remote. I mean, we are setting a loop uh, and making sure we are calling TV not up to increase the number of channels to 700 from 2. Minimum is 2, but here we are just making sure it's went from 0. But then the max channels would be 700. We're setting it to 700 now. The TV is set to 700. Then we are also calling the show channel, which is again going back here. Show channel. It will show 700 as the TV channel. Second line. Now we are initializing an object remote from TV remote object adapter class. So let's go to TV remote object adapter and we see that it implements TV remote, as in it will be acting as an interface. The TV remote is here is an interface that will be calling on, off, channel up, channel down, and Z channel methods from TV remote Java object adapter class. So once this is done, we are setting again. We are initializing TV object. Um, we are setting TV channel equals to 2. The remote has to keep its own copy of TV channels, as mentioned here. So we are again setting TV channel as 2 in the remote object adapter class. So then we are again writing a constructor here and setting TV equals to TV in. What is TV in? We'll see that. So now put a loop to make sure the TV at channel is at channel 2. So we are putting the loop to bring down the TV channel to the least one, which is 2. So we are calling the function down and we're bringing it down. But now again, TV channel equals to 2. We are setting that again, TV channel equals to. This is for the remote. This is for the remote. This is for the actual TV. And then we have written the 4 methods defined in the interface, that we saw in the TV remote Java, on, off, channel, up, channel down. Yes, we are writing the methods here. What methods, what those methods will be doing. So TV dot on, TV dot off, TV dot up, and then TV channel equals to meaning of TV dot max channels uh, or comma TV channel plus 1. So I'll explain when I'm explaining the TV driver Java 1 file. And similarly, channel down as well. But here we are setting for, we are checking max and then set channel. So inside channel, what we are doing is we are putting a limit or a boundary, uh, basically from 2 to 700. The channel should be, or it should make sure that the channel will be within 2 and 700 only. It cannot go above 700 or below 2. So that is what we are setting for limits as. And then we have these loops to set the channels, which I'll be explaining. And then show channel as well. This show channel is for the remote's channel. So since we need to have both copies from remote as well as the TV, both should be in sync. We have show channel here as well in the remote object adapter.java. Now let's go to TV drivers and explain one by one. The first thing I already explained, TV.on and then TV.show channel. Now in remote.show channel. What is remote.show channel? We need to check. So it will go to the TV driver plus. Here it will check. It will print the remote channel is TV channel plus this one. So remote channel is, it was set to 2, right? Where is it? TV channel is set to 2 here. So it will print 2. And then TV channel is 2. Now it is TV.show channel. Again, it will also be 2, which can be seen in this one, named TV.java file. Here is also it's set to 2 for channel, set to 2. That is what is happening there. So that shows that both of them are in sync. Similarly, next one would be TV.setChannel 101. So in 101, again, what set channel does is that it goes to, sorry, the remote.set channel to 101. So it goes into this TV remote object adapter class, and then goes to set channel, and then new channel is 101 now. So it will check if 101 is uh, within the limits of 2 to 700. So yes, it is within the limits of 2 to 700, and the new channel will be set to 101. Now, then it will go inside the while loops, and then again, TV channel is less than new channel. So TV channel before was 2, and new channel now is 101. So if the TV channel is less than new channel, the TV channels must be updated to 101. Right? So we call the method TV dot up, and we increase the TV channel, increment the TV channel to 101. And then that is once that is done, we print show channel. That is we call the show channel method, so that it will print remote channel is 101. And then after that, we call the TV dot show channel. So it goes here, and then plus TV dot channel is 101. So now that is done, similarly, the other methods also work. 96 is and the rest of it. I can show, we can also see that for 0, 900, and -10, it is printing 2 and 700. For 0 and -10, it's printing 2. And for 900, it's printing 700. So it's basically whichever is closer to 0, and whichever is closer value to the setting channel value. So it will be printing down. So as in here, it will check TV channel 0 less than new channel, and the new channel, sorry, but TV channel will be, for example, uh, 2, and new channel will be, for example, 0. Then it will have to, uh, sorry, sorry. Yeah. It will have to increment or decrement based on what value it is, and make sure that the limit is, since we have the limit here, the new channel will already be set to somewhat somewhere between 2 and 700 only. So, for example, if it was 0 and then 700, minimum would be 0. And then again, the new channel was here was set to 700, and then max, sorry, 1 minute. Minimum would be 0. So it will be set to 0, and then again, max of 0 and 2 will be 2. So a new channel will be 2. Even though we set the channel to 0, the new channel will always be set to 2. Similarly, if it's above 700, like 900, the new channel will always be set to 700. So that's what is happening here, and that's what we see in the expected output as well. And yeah, that's it for TV remote object adapter. Basically, in this, we saw that the adapter implements the TV remote interface and holds the interface and holds a reference to an existing TV object, which is called like composition, and then everything else uh, happens in a correct manner. Now, my friend will go through TV remote class adapter.java file and TV driver 2.java. Thank
So hi, I'll be explaining like TV remote class adapter, which I worked on. Uh, Let me share my screen. Alright. As you can see here, I have downloaded and extracted the zip file. And, uh, this is the files which is there. Also, what I worked on is TV remote class adapter, where it extends the TV class and which implements the TV remote class, which is like I'm inheriting the TV class. Because we inherit the TV class, like we automatically get the on, off, up, and down methods. So I don't need to re-implement them. And I still kept the TV channel variable in the adapter to track the remote's view of the channel. And in set channel, I clamped the input and looping like the calling up and down until both match. And channel up and channel down wrap the inherited methods and update the TV channel. And in show channel, I print the remote channel uh, here. I print the remote channel and I call the super.show channel to show the TV's show channel. Like I'm just using the parents show channel method. So this shows like how the class adapter reuses the behavior while adding the extra tracking we needed. So I'll be running the code and show you the output. Yeah, I'll be running the TV driver too. So as you can see, this is the output which I have got. Yeah, here is the expected output. Here you can see it is the expected output is matching the actual output. I'm going to explain like what and all happened in the output. So in TV driver 2, I'm like initializing the remote and uh, calling the TV remote class adapter, which then initializes the constructor and set the TV channel to 2. So after that, I am calling remote.on, and what happens is it comes to here and it prints the channel, which is here. It comes here and which calls the tv.java and it says like the TV is on, which is printed over here. And after that, I have asked like to print remote.show channel. What it does is it comes to the TV remote class adapter, and in the show channel, it prints the remote channel is what the TV channel is set to. As of now, we have set the TV channel to 2, so it prints the remote channel is 2. And I have called the parent class show channel, which goes to tv.java and prints the TV channel is the channel. As of now, we have set the channel to 2, so it prints the TV channel is 2. After that, I have called remote.set channel to 101. Again, what it does is it goes to the TV remote class adapter and it comes to this function where in set channel I am passing the new channel as 101. In this, what it does is I have implemented like minimum and maximum method uh, to set the boundaries of the new channel from 2 to 700. So what it does is it takes the math.minimum of these two variables where new channel I have passed 101 and the max channels we have uh, given as 700. So it takes minimum of 101 and 700. So the new channel will be set to 101. In the next line, what it does is it takes the maximum of new channel number and 2. So maximum of 101 and 2, it takes 101. So a new channel will be set to 101. So then what it does is uh, while the TV channel is less than new channel, so the TV channel is set to 2. So till the TV channel is greater than new channel, it will be leveling up. So it will go to 101, and after the loop breaks, it will come out and it will print the TV channel. So again, you can see here the remote channel is 101 will be printed. After that, I'll be calling the show channel, which will go to tv.java, and the TV channel will be printed, which is TV channel is 101. After that, uh, it will come to like remote set channel 96. The same thing happens as in when we send 101. And if we check set channel 0, like it is outside of the boundary, like which is from 2 to 700. So let's see what happens when we send 0. So when we send 0, it will come to this function new channel. It will check what is minimum in 0 and max channels. Hence 0 is minimum, the new channel will be set to 0. In the next line, it will check the maximum of 0 and 2. So maximum will be 2, so the new channel will be set to 2. And the same thing happens here, and the TV channel will be set to 2. After that, I'll be like uh, calling the remote.show channel. Again, what it does, it goes here, it will print the channel, like remote channel is the TV channel. So since the TV channel is 2, it will print 2 and not 0. Again, I'll be calling like super.show channel. Again, it will go to tv.java, and it will print like TV channel is 2, which can be seen here. Uh, Similar thing happens like call uh, when we set the new channel to 900. Again, it goes to this TV remote class adapter. Again, it will go under this set channel function. Then it will check 900 and 700, which is the minimum. So 700 is the minimum, so the new channel will be set to 700. In the next line, again, it will check like 702, which is the maximum. So 700 is the maximum, so the new channel will be set to 700, and the TV channel will be updated to 700. And again, in the TV driver 2, I'll call like show channel. Again, it will go to TV remote class adapter. Again, it says like remote channel is TV channel. Since now the TV channel is 700, the remote channel will is 700 will be printed. Again, I'll call the super.show channel. Again, it will go to tv.java, and the TV channel is the channel will be printed, which is 700. So TV channel will be 700. So again, if we go to minus 10, it is outside of the boundary, which is below 2. So the same thing as 0 would happen in for minus 10. And for 100, it will go to TV remote class adapter. So again, the set channel function will be called, and again, it will check the minimum of 100 and 700. So 100 will be in the new channel. Again, it in the minimum of 102, sorry, maximum of 102, which is 100. So maximum will be set to new channel, and till the TV channel is 100, it will be updated. After that, I'll be channel up like the I'll be channel I'll use the new I've called the new method like channel up, which is in TV remote class adapter, where this function will be called now. And since the TV channel was set to 100, so what this does is it will update the TV channel to the next, or add one to the TV channel. So it will be 101. So what it does is it says like maximum channels is 700. and the TV channel is 100, like plus 1, it's 101. So minimum of those two is 101. So 101 will be set to TV channel. So again, I have shown the channel. So I have called show dot remote dot show channel. Again, it comes to the adapter class, TV remote adapter class, and again the remote channel will be printed. Now the TV channel is 101. So the output is TV remote channel is 101. And after that, again the super class, like the parent show channel, will be called. Again, the TV channel will be printed. So the TV channel will be 101, which is you can see here. So after that, again, I have called like channel down. Again, the same thing happens as channel up, but here it will be like one. We will be adding a -1 to the TV channel. Again, we'll see the maximum of like 2 and the TV channel. Since the TV channel was originally 101, it will take the TV channel will take 100 as the value. Again, I have called remote.show channel. Again, it will go to remote class adapter, print uh, the TV remote channel is the TV channel. The TV channel is now set to 100, so it will print this, and the same thing happens. So after all, at last I have done like remote.off, which will go to tv.java, and in this function it says like TV is off. So yeah, this is the TV remote class adapter and the things which I have implemented. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.